Hi, nice to meet you again. This is Silent from Mastek. Today we bring you a circular saw blade made for professional users, the melamine board cutting blade. As known, the melamine board is normally used for furniture making. So what's critical is cutting shall be clean and no chippings. However, general purpose wood cutting blades may not provide an ideal cutting result. To meet those requirements, we enhance blades in the following points. Let's look at the 7-inch by 84 teeth blade. To minimize the waste generated by cutting, the blade is designed with small-sized carbide tips, but in a big amount of quantity. So you can see even on 185mm diameter, there are 84 teeth uniformly distributed. T.C.T ground teeth get cleaner finish than alternative valve ground. Premium virgin quality carbide teeth stays longer and sharper cutting. Face hook expansion slots prevents the blade warp for stable cut with minor vibration. Do not wait up. Let us know your demands. We can fix up a whole solution for OEM your product line. We also have sizes 4-inch, 8-inch, 9-inch, and 10-inch in diameter to equip with handheld to table saw machines. Want to know more details? Feel free to send me a message. We are a manufacturer for Diamond Tools and T.C.T blades with over 10-year experience. If you have any other needs, you always know where to find us.